Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from
What's going on, guys? Crypto Don back to you with another video. And I just got off the meeting with the CEO, and I will be playing it for you guys in this video. But I'm just going to tell you guys my part and how I feel about this opportunity, man. I'm pumped on Kangot. Now, I can't say that I've ever said anything like this about any platform that I've been in, but I think this is the one. I think this is legit. I'm sold on it, guys. I'm sold. Now, there's a lot of talk and people making videos of, oh, this is a scam, this is a Ponzi, etc. guys, but I'm going to be playing this video for you. Now, I think I'm a good judge of character in general. And after listening to the CEO, the guy seems authentic. He has the experience. He admits that he is not a perfect trader, okay? And a lot of people out there should know that when you're in business, if you can't do something, you pay somebody to do it. Now, this thing is going to explode. It's got a lot of other big people, big leaders excited about this platform. I've seen the chat in the Zoom meeting. I've seen what everybody was saying. This thing is getting ready to blow up. So if you're sitting on the sidelines, do not wait. Get in now. Okay, guys? I'm going to take this thing to the next level. I'm going to be trying to help you guys, all the folks that are on our team, help you guys get out there and share this opportunity with people. That's going to be coming on the upcoming videos. There's going to be tools added to the back office, the CEO said, but I'm not going to wait for that. I'm going to be doing this on my own. I'm going to try to help you guys. If I have to build shit, then I'm just going to have to build it. But I am super pumped on Kangot. Now, I've only been in this thing for about 4 or 5 days, okay, guys? And this thing has just went viral. It's caught a lot of attention from people who didn't like it the first time they seen it. They looked at it again, and then they decided to go ahead and jump in. Everything is about taking risk, and nothing is 100% guaranteed. But with this here, we have an opportunity, a real business that has a product attached to it, right? Which is the traveling. Now, this is not a travel business. This stands alone outside of the CEO Roberto's travel company. This is an opportunity for everyday people like you, me, and everybody else to get in the beginning and start opening up our mouths and sharing this with people, because this is the best time to do it. Okay, right now, it doesn't matter. Most of you guys out there are sitting around and watching videos on Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat. You guys can use those social media platforms to share this, okay? But don't wait, man. Kangot is going to be bigger than Cash FX, and this is what I'm predicting. Now, all the Cash FX lovers out there, I'm not hating on the platform, but this is what my thoughts are, and this is what I believe, okay? They actually have a lot of different things here that I believe Cash FX doesn't have, and I missed that boat, and I said it in my other video. But I did not want to miss another opportunity like this, and even though the website looks ugly like we see here, this is going to be changed on March 23rd after the official launch. And I'm going to be trying to get there. I'm going to be trying to go to this event, guys, okay? And I want to lock arms with something. I've been looking for something that I can actually stand behind and have confidence in and believe in. And I actually believe in Kangot, okay? I believe in this potential of this platform. So with that being said, guys, I've been in this thing 5 days, and you guys can see here. Now, this is, my results are not typical, okay? It's about timing. I didn't wait to get in on this opportunity. I start opening up my mouth as soon as I seen it, okay? That's exactly what you guys need to do here. If you guys are in this team, if you're on our team, it doesn't matter, guys. Just share the opportunity. If you're on my team, you can feel free to join the Telegram group in the description. I'm going to be adding things as time goes along, and I'm trying to really, really blow this up before the launch time. So everybody that's up under me and my team, my downline, etc., you guys are getting massive spillover because it is getting ready to happen. Just check YouTube. See that within a few days how fast this thing started to blow up. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you guys any financial advice. Just look at this information. Do your due diligence. Watch this video I'm getting ready to play for you guys right now. And if you guys get that gut feeling like I did when I seen this, then go for it, man. Do not wait. This is the Crypto Don, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. We're going to take Kangot to the moon. Bye for now.
Since 2002, he's owner and CEO of one of the most important travel club platforms in the world. Today operates more than 25,000 reservations a day. He has extensive experience in online business, digital platforms, payment gateways, software programming, customer services, and global coverage. Robert has created Kangot, digital investment system which offer very attractive returns and include gifts of vacation privilege. Two, we will also have the valuable participation of Mr. Luis Castillo, promoter and host of this meeting. Luis is a tremendous leader, builder of global investor networks. I have a lot of respect for Luis, who in just 5 days has achieved the Ruby rank in Kangot. It's a global record. And he's already qualified the first great leadership retreat next April at Xcaret, a paradise of the Mexican Caribbean. Now, with you, the champ, Mr. Luis Castillo, Mr. Crypto Boss. Go ahead, Luis.
Hey, thank you so much for this introduction, my dear friend Alfredo. We are really very excited to be here today, sharing with you and with Mr. Roberto. It's a great honor and a great pleasure for us as a team to be in this call. And first of all, we would like to thank you for arranging everything. You are a really good leader and best support ever. So we really appreciate that. And not only thank you for organizing everything, but also I would like to thank Mr. Roberto, the CEO, to be present with us, sharing with us, and motivating us to build this awesome company. And to my team members, thank you so much for being here. I know you are really excited about Kangot, and you are on the way to take this company to the moon. I know how hard workers you are, how you have done amazing things in other companies, and I am pretty sure, pretty sure that you are going to do the same thing in a faster way here in Kangot, because Kangot has some features to offer to the people around the world that no company ever has offered before. So we are very happy to be here. We are very excited to be here. And also we are very much committed to bringing Kangot to the next level. I would like to thank Mr. Roberto for sharing with us today. And also I would like something to ask to all my team members. Please, this is not a business presentation. This is not to know how much my deposit will pay, if it's gonna double or if it's gonna triple. This is basically a get together to meet the corporate team. Mr. Alfredo is member of the council of Kangot, and he is kind enough to be supporting us as a team. And obviously we are not going to be asking questions about the compensation plan. We want to know where is the company headed from here on, from today on. And please, let's focus on that. Let's focus on meeting and knowing about the company in a management way, okay? So that being said, I would like to welcome our dear CEO. I know he is also excited to be sharing with us today.
Luis, thank you for your time, your kind introduction, and most important, thank you for the trust that you have placed in Kangot, in Alfredo and Lilia and myself, and thank you for your leadership. Congratulations on your recent achievement to the rank of Ruby. I can't wait to meet you, hopefully in Cancun without this coronavirus happening, hopefully in Cancun. So before we even start, I want to give you a big round of applause. I want everyone gather together and send some great messages, some great congratulations to Luis, because Luis is the first one. Many of you guys are going to be the followers making it happen. And congratulations, Luis. Great team effort, great leadership, amazing results. I'm really proud of you and what you have been able to accomplish. Also, nothing will be possible without the leadership, the patience, and most important, the goodwill from Alfredo and Lilia, making things happening constantly over and over and over and over. So Alfredo, Lilia, thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for everything you've been doing. And thank you for being here to guide us and help us and mentor us in all your experience. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, Luis, I don't know if there's some specific questions that the team might have, but if not, I would rather start talking about the vision, where I want to take it, how we're trying to do, and then eventually have some few Q&As. Can I ask a question? Before we even get started, is there any way that we all can turn the cameras on? I love to see the faces of the people that I'm doing business. Hey, Jamie, I see you there. I want to see everyone. If you can turn on the cameras. I normally, when I start a meeting, I like to take a picture of everyone involved. That way, God, I mean, when I meet you in Cancun, I'm like, who is you? Who are you? Who's the stranger that is coming and hugging you? Okay? It's not on the North Pole, Santa Claus. I can tell you that. Okay? So give me a big smile, everyone. Big smile. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So before we get started, let's put this thing, dot the I's and cross the T's to make sure that we all understand what's going on. Okay. I guess Santa Claus is so eager to ask so many questions. I will kindly ask you, my dear Santa Claus, because you're in the watch list, to stop a little bit. That way I can bring a presentation. And then you're more desperate, then you can ask questions to your leadership or to anyone. Please, I'm asking you as a favor to do that. Luis, can you help me with this thing? That way I can do a nice presentation. You gotta unmute your phone.
Okay, I am in my cell phone because I am traveling. I'm outside the United States right now, so I don't have much control. But I please ask since the beginning that people, please, let's wait. Our beloved CEO is gonna be kind enough to give us some time after his explanations and his exposition. He's gonna give us some time to answer questions. So please, let's wait for him to finish what he has to say, and then we can ask questions. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Luis. And the reason I'm appealing to you as a leader is because this is your team, this is your leadership, and I'm expecting them to all listen to you, not to me because they just met me. So the most important thing is let's get the facts together, okay? Let's put everything in a coordinate to make sure that we all understand the business. If you guys want to turn off your cameras, you can do it. I don't mind now. I mean, I already see how handsome and how cute some of you guys are. So thank you for doing it. That way we can go live and start rolling. Okay, like Luis and Alfredo said, my name is Roberto Gonzalez. I'm the CEO and founder of Kangot. By definition, let's start understanding what Kangot means first in order to establish the whole way we build the business. Kangot is a composed word by the Japanese language. Kan means sixth sense, intuition, and gut feeling. How many times we have done things on gut feeling that we didn't know, and we just follow our gut. So this is the first thing that we got. And gut means honorability. Everything that we do, it's done based on honor. It's done based on being transparent and showing things. I want to mention up front that I'm not an expert on cryptocurrency. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert in trading, but I hire the best of the best. You cannot be the expert on everything, but you can hire people. That's why when I got involved in the travel industry, I decided to hire a great team and build the best platform in the world. Our platform beat by far, price-wise, Expedia, Booking, Agoda, Priceline. We got much, much better pricing than anyone else. And it's because of the different disruptive model. We were, I cannot say we are right now, we were in 25,000 bookings a day. Because of coronavirus, we're struggling a little bit. We're down to 22, 23,000 bookings every single day, which is expected. But we are a very solid company. When I'm talking about having more than 20,000 bookings every single day, we're talking about a huge, huge momentum, huge amount of people, exaggerated members for many different travel clubs that we service. That's the first thing that we do. So when I understood a little bit about this great opportunity, which is trading, which is Forex, I got it up, make a team meeting, and I decided to create something unique. I decided to focus on four mega trends that are going in the world. First of all, because it's the one that I dominate, is travel. Travel is an $8 trillion industry, and I decided to pay attention to it and dominate it like never before. I can tell you and I can assure you that most of 90% of network marketing companies using travel-related products belong to us. They use our platform. They use our customer service. They use our booking tools in order to participate in this. There's company which only product that they have is ours. And they sell this thing for $1,000 plus monthly fees for crazy stuff. And the good news is we give it away for free for a small investment as low as $300 for all of our members. So basically you're getting something that most people dream of, the possibility of traveling, the possibility of accessing the best rates worldwide that we have. Second, we saw a big, unique opportunity in the Forex trading industry. Forex is an $8 trillion industry a day, and we decided to learn it better. We have more than, right now we're in around the 80s, 79, 81 traders. And just to give you an advice, something like a real small proof from our crypto trading guys. Last night at 8:35 p.m. Mexico Standard Time, because I'm based in Mexico, the company is not. We received a communicator, a note from our trader from crypto. And he said, hey, FYI, let me find it. FYI, I want to let you guys know that you gotta be patient today. We're expecting Bitcoin confirmation price where it's trending. So my question is, will it go up or will it go down? And he said, if it doesn't resist the 7,500 mark, it will go down all the way to 6,000 or less. When I woke up, my trader, he's like, hey, great news. BTC is down as expected. Bitcoin is down as expected. I thought 6,000 was a possibility. We're below that. We just made ourselves more than 42% last night return of investment on the crypto that we're trading with this volume. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, out of all these great people that I have, all of them are independent, all of them are experts on their subject, and all of them are watching the markets, paying closely attention to these things. So can you imagine when someone make a move, tell you ahead of time, we're expecting to go down, it went down more than 17% or more than 32% over a week, and we took advantage of it. We saw it, they saw it coming, and I'm not struggling. Last night or yesterday, Alfredo was asking me a question. Are you scared? You were afraid? I said, no, I'm not, because they manage my portfolio. But most important, they manage our investment. They know how to do it. And obviously, I have access to that information. So having a great team of traders protecting us is great advantage for the business. The third trend that I saw was specific cryptocurrency. Most of the people, most of the world, they have no idea of cryptocurrency. And you and I know that at least my grandchild, because I don't have grandchild yet, they won't know the fiat money as we do it. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, regardless of the volatile situation that is going in the market today, etc. So the great thing that I saw is this great potential for everyone to capitalize and take advantage. The fourth trend that I saw, let me turn my phone off because I'm getting messages right now. The fourth trend is technology. Technology is here to stay. It's taking many jobs from many people. And I said, well, let's participate in this thing and have the best technology here. That's why we got over 80 bots working for us on high frequency. I'm going to talk about why high frequency is important and why having the 80 bots is crucial for our business, okay? And that's the four trends. And the most important, which is the fifth one, I never mentioned it until the end, is we can put all this into the network marketing space, allowing people to actually benefit of what we're able to do, okay? So we got 5 trends. This network marketing is not really a trend, it's just a great business opportunity, distribution of the product. Saying that, let's talk about why it's important having high frequency bots. I would have been lying to you if I was telling you that I don't get paid by moving money. Obviously, I make money with the brokers when I put some volume in there and I allow them to, we make transactions on a daily basis. That volume is like a lot or a spread, and we get great spreads margins in there. So having a high frequency bot that open and close transactions by the milliseconds, it allows us to create some backend, some protection that is a spread. And in some cases, we make way more money in the spreads than in the trading, certain markets. And that spread is not included on the compensation plan for a single purpose reason. We are using that money that we're accumulating to protect your investment in cases of bad days. In cases like Monday, there was a complete disaster for the whole world. We were protected. I wasn't even scared in regarding of trading. Obviously, I'm scared about the world situation, but not scared about your investment because we were ahead of time. Having this thing allows us to create a great wall to protect all of us, okay? And the second thing that we do is each of our independent brokers, traders, they don't know each other. They are specialized in different things. They have specialties in gold, 2 pairs, 6 pairs, crypto, futures, different things. So all of them work independently, and we just allocate certain amount of funds on a daily or weekly basis, depending how we work with each of them, to ensure what? To ensure that they give us the great performance. Any broker, because how do you find the best brokers? That's the first question that people ask me. Hey, Roberto, how do you find these great brokers? Because anyone can say that they have great brokers. What we do is very simple. I'm going to share my secret. That way you know it. And the way you say like, very smart guy. Okay, what we do is very simple. We go to these public platforms when they have people that follow traders. We identify like a headhunter, which one is the best trader with the greatest strength, with the greatest amount of followers, with the greatest everything. And then we go straight to the broker and say, hey, my dear broker friend, I want to talk to your trader by the name of GBC, whatever the name is. And they're like, no, I will allow you. Say, hey, I'm not trying to take business away from you. I'm willing to invest, and we open the wallet, say, hey, we can invest this with you, and we want him to manage our business. So the conversation shifts, and they're like, hey, yes, bring it over. Let's talk to them. Let's make things happen. And they help us to get these individuals to start working for us, managing our investment, your investment to them. So it's very easy. I mean, it's complicated, but it's easy because we can do it and bring it on board. The third thing or fourth thing that we're doing, I'm lost count because of the noise, is very, very smart. And I hate to say what I'm going to say, the way that I'm saying it. We are always protecting our investment. We don't need to be greedy to try to make advantage of the speculation of Bitcoin. We don't do that. We get the Bitcoin, we put it on a stable coin, we even change it to dollars, and we allow our business to trade in dollars. Does that make sense? We are not here to try to speculate on Bitcoin because that will damage the whole situation. So this is who we are, this is what we're doing, and this is where we're taking the next steps. So basically, essentially, we got a protection of the spreads, and 25 of my 25, well, not really 25 right now, it's the 23,000 bookings that I'm having on a daily basis right now. A percentage of them, we're placing it as a backup to protect our investments, okay? We have specialized traders working independently, and we have the high frequency bots that we use it to generate spreads to protect our business. So that's why you can see that I'm very confident that we can do it, and we're doing it right, and we're bringing travel into the equation to make this thing more appealing. Anyone who actually use or book a travel gift that we give you to use the 3, 4, 7 nights, or any one of you guys who have access to our travel club membership and book, you're just helping us to make this thing more solid and be more established. People ask me, where are you guys based? Well, I'm based in Mexico, Monterrey, Mexico, okay? I'm based in Monterrey, Mexico because of family matters. Company was established in Houston, Texas, but because of different regulation, because I love to do business with the US. As a travel industry, I love to do business with the US. They asked me, my lawyers advised me, hey, Roberto, you're in a fine line. You don't want to be here because you're incorporating all this profit because of trading and all these things, and it's not really well regulated in the States. We need to move away. So they gave me two advices, Singapore, Malaysia, and we were discussing that. And then a good friend of us recommended Dubai, and we are undergoing through the process of establishing final proof of registration in Dubai. I'm expecting it late next week to have it ready. So we're an established company. I'm an established individual doing business on a high-risk business, which is travel. I'm always in the loop, if that makes sense, with the US government because of 9/11. So this is who we are. Do we have proof of trading? I have done live sessions with my traders when people join and ask questions to make it happen. Can I provide an investor book? No, I won't do it because if it's like me asking you if I can have your bank account, that way I can see how much money you're trading and how much money you're making on the spreads and everything. There's certain informations that I'm willing to prove, and there's certain that I won't. By the end of the day today, I'm going to provide one of my accounts. I will be hiding some information, my FX books. That way, some of you guys can actually see it and understand what we're doing. You need to understand that we spread the investment in over 80 traders and several bots. So please do not expect to see high, I don't know how to say this, high amounts in the FX book that I'm going to provide to some of you guys, because it's going to be very difficult, okay? You need to understand that we mitigate the risk by allocating different small amounts to different traders to protect the business. And saying that, I also want to do a small recognition because I just saw that my dear friend Juan Carlos, I saw you for a moment ago. Where are you, Juan Carlos? I saw Juan Carlos from California. I don't see you now. Where are you? Juan Carlos, there you are, my friend. Juan Carlos from California, which is one of our great leaders. He's an emerald rank. Very proud of Juan Carlos, everything you've been doing. He's part of the council as well. Juan Carlos, welcome to the call. Glad of everything you've been doing, and thank you for your hard effort. Is there anything you want to say, Juan Carlos?
I just want to thank you for your time, and I want to thank everybody on the group. They're doing an awesome job. They're actually doing everything to make us look good, and that's great, actually.
Thank you.
A big thank to everyone, and that's pretty much. And obviously, my partner, Alex Pineda, we are working together, obviously, and that's I can mention a great leader who's making things happen. Lucky Prospero, Norita. I'm not sure if it's haven't seen her, but thank you all, and I really appreciate the hard work. And I don't want to forget to mention Lilia and Alfredo. Obviously, they're my mentors. They've been mentoring me for the last years, and I'm very grateful for that.
Thank you. I didn't know Alex was here. Alex, thank you for all your hard job. Everything you guys have been doing is amazing, and thank you for your commitment to make things happen, Alex. I saw you over there. Also, want to mention something, and this thing that I'm going to say to protect the business. Some of you guys, I hope you guys understand. This is crucial, because we have a binary compensation plan. When you have a binary compensation plan, it's your duty, your obligation as a business owner to ensure that this binary has a cap, has a maximum payout. Because if by any chance someone, because there are many clever individuals in the world, come here and try to take advantage of it, we are protected. What I'm protected is we have a maximum daily payout among the whole binary structure of up to 35% of money in. With this, we can ensure, we can ensure that the business, your investment, is protected from people trying to take advantage by building different structures, trying to maximize their short-term earnings. I'm not here, guys, for the short-term earnings. Neither do you guys. We're here to dominate. As a matter of fact, on Monday, this Monday, 23rd, the next Monday, the 23rd, we're going to be launching something unique. We're going to be launching our rebranded, our new, and our amazing compensation back office. But I'm doing this thing is because we are here to protect. We own Roberto Gonzalez and family. We own the system. We own every single piece of the part because we don't want to have anyone hijacking our business. So we're launching our back office. The compensation plan that I'm going to be showing to you guys, the back office that I'm going to be showing to you is state of the art. And I can assure you that there's no back office as nice as with great information that we have. One thing that you can rest assured is I'm betting on this business with you guys and taking to the next level. Yes, and I want to say something else. For all of you guys that really want to see the vision, that really want to establish where we're going, listen what I'm saying, guys. On April in Cancun, on the most beautiful hotel and the most beautiful theme park that we are giving, which is Escaret, I'm launching the future. We're gonna totally disrupt the industry. We're totally making things happen in one way that people are gonna be talking among us. One thing I can assure you, everything that I set my mind and my target into, I'm always here to dominate. I'm not here to participate. And you guys, I can assure you, if you qualify to Cancun, once you qualify to Cancun and you travel over there, if coronavirus allows us to travel, because I know what's happening, this will make history. We're history in the making, and you guys are gonna be taking a great advantage for showing up to the party. My advice, my friends, is do whatever it takes. Do one more call, one more invitation, one more presentation, one more of anything to be there. You're gonna have a premiere. You're gonna be able to see it first. And trust me, I'm way more excited about what I'm gonna show in April than today. If you think I'm hype and excited, what is coming is gonna be epic. It's gonna disrupt the industry, and most important, it's gonna give you guys the possibility to ensure your financial success, your financial freedom, not only for you and your sons and daughters, but as many generations as possible. Travel is great, but what I'm looking into is way more powerful. My dear friends, I'm here. I have another call in 10 minutes. So if there's any questions, and don't get me wrong, guys, if there are any smart questions, something that really add value, because I think I went into all the detail, ask me. If you want to know what's the compensation plan, how do we do this, how would you do that, talk to your leadership. Let's take advantage and make it happen. Any question, guys?
How are you, Mr. Roberto?
I'm excited. Thank you. Thank you for everything, Angeline. How are you?
Angeline from South Africa.
Oh my God. Welcome to the call.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to ask, what's the name of this travel company of yours?
I have many of them. Right now we're using the brand Tripixia.
What is it?
Tripixia.
Tripixia.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you spell the Bixia for me?
It's in the chat.
Roberto.
Yes. 1 second, Alex.
Once again, once again, I just want to make sure that I thank you for being with us with that great explanation. And I want to thank my whole team. I took the opportunity and I presented it to some people which have been helping me, like Cryptodon. He always joins me and he is taking this business to the next level. You mentioned before that on Monday, the 23rd, you are going to launch, let's say like that, a new state-of-the-art back office, right?
Sure.
So, are you planning to have in this back office, I know English and Spanish is a must, but are you planning to have different languages, most spoken languages in the world? And also, because there's something that I don't see now, and some of my team members are concerned because we are online marketers. We don't see in the actual back office any like banners or promotional materials. Are you taking that into consideration?
Okay, it's a great triple side question. First of all, right now English and Spanish is a must. We can put it in any language, Luis, that you guys need it, as long as you help us, as long as you or your team help us, given the translations that can be incorporated immediately. If you want, I can send a file for translations, and you make sure that the actual language that we're going to be putting in there is the right one. I'm saying this because I don't know which one do we need. I know we're working in many different languages. Second, online marketers. Finally, I hear something asking for these things. Thank you. Okay. I'm working and providing a set of tools a set of online funnels, a set of different magic, beautiful, all-inclusive presentations to get you guys rock and roll going immediately. So don't expect it on the back office launch, because we're not doing it right now. But you can expect on Cancun, when we're unveiling the future, to see this thing happening. Guys, it's very important that we all understand. Kangot is not a travel company. Kangot provides these benefits as an incentive to our members. Does that make sense? I own a travel company and use my resources to help you go there, okay? So it's important. Don't wait, like Oracle is saying, don't wait for me. Let you guys start doing whatever you need to do to start rock and roll and make things happen and spread the news immediately. I know there's people asking me if any way I can lower the withdrawals and everything. I'm analyzing that possibility, my dear friend Bong, Panaligan. If I can, I will. How do we qualify to Cancun? Talk to your leadership, but it's very simple. $50,000 of personal enrollment, personal sponsorship, or qualify to the rank of Ruby. You still have time, and trust me, this will change the way business is done. People will talk about us. People will talk about this thing, okay? Guys, I gotta jump to another call. I'm always available. I'm always, after we schedule something, I'm always here. I like to talk, try to see people to the face and make things happen. And it's up to you. I'm here to help you. You got full support from my team. And we have full support from anyone who needs anything with me. I saw do an interview with me. Oracle, my friend, I saw your performance. I don't know you yet. Try to talk to your leadership, and they will find a way that we can talk. Don't worry, my friend. Okay?
Mr. Roberto, just last question. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rene Aaron from Los Angeles, but most of my people probably like in Philippines. And the question is, on the travel, like the cruise, they cannot come here because they need visa. Are you planning to put the travel part in Asia? And are you gonna add more hotels to different locations?
That's a great question, Toto. First of all, regarding the cruises, there's nothing I can do. This is a cruise. The cruise lines, they only want business like this from the States, by the States, for different reasons. That's beyond what I can do. I'm gonna start looking for other incentives of the cruises for the Asian market. That's my answer to that. I cannot make a promise at all regarding cruises, okay? FYI. Adding more hotels, I'm already in the works. I'm already into negotiations with the different aggregators and sellers of wholesalers on travel to see if I can incorporate them into the platform. Now that I'm seeing that Asia is expanding, I need to provide something. I will provide something soon.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, my friends, thank you for everything. God bless you. Alfredo, Lilia, thank you for everything you guys are doing. Alex, my dear friend Alex, Juan Carlos, Luis, Luke, Bucky, and everyone. Thank you for everything. I hope to see you guys real soon in Cancun. Let's crush it, guys. It's momentum time. Let's go for it. God bless you guys.